Different ways to say I in Japanese.
私、
The most commonly used by women. 22% of men also use this, and it sounds polite.
私、
Commonly used by women sounds more casual than 私.
うち、
Commonly used by women from west side of Japan sounds very cute.
僕、
Commonly used by men sounds polite but not used in business or very formal situation.
俺、
Commonly used by men sound very casual and masculine.
わい、
Commonly used by men on the internet. Kind of trendy but sounds geek.
拙者、
If you wanna be a samurai, definitely should use this. 見てくれてありがとう。チャンネル登録してね。